You judged me. Called me a cheat. Now look at you. Wrecking.
It's your fault. Eric, I loved you.
Oh, yeah.
I gave you everything. I did everything for you. And what did I get in return? I got a man that talks down on me anytime, anywhere, for no good reason. Look around, Eric. I paid the bills in this house. That TV that you're watching, I paid for it. What do? Nothing. All you do is disrespect me and just make me feel so damn small. I'm stupid. Actually, it's my fault. Because for some reason, I thought that maybe the sweet man that I married, maybe there's a piece of him still left in that body. I guess I'm an idiot.